Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, I will teach you how to check your login activity on Instagram. So let's dive in without wasting any time. First things first, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap on your profile picture or the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile page. On your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu you should see Meta Account Center. Tap on it to move towards the next step. Now as you can see there is an option, Password and Security. Tap on it. Here you have to tap on where you're logged in to check all the login activity of your Instagram account. Now you can select the account which you want to manage and a new window will pop up with all the recent login activity. You can repeat these steps to check your login activity from time to time. That is all for today's video, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.